Hey guys, what's up? It's the Epic Cube Wondershare, and welcome to another video. In this video, I have an unboxing from thecubicle.us. Okay, so in this box, I had the Yushin 5x5, some replacement stickers, and of course the Cubicle business card. So this is just my favorite color scheme because I know that the Yushin stickers aren't particularly my favorite, and I just decided to get those to stick on it because I'm expecting this to be my main. This cube has a lot to live up to for me because the Yushin 4x4 is my main and the Yushin 3x3 is my backup main. So this has a lot to live up to, I guess you could say. The box is pretty cool. It's a little bit opened, but it can close. It's nice plastic, and here is the puzzle in here. Looks pretty dirty, like it's got a bunch of stuff on it, but that's not too big of a deal. Let's go ahead and take it out. Wow. The cube itself is really light. Wants to move around a bit. Actually has more of a motion. Holy cow!
Oh man, okay. Anyways, yeah, you get the idea. Okay, so. Huge. Alright. I'm gonna attempt the first turn. Oh man, the stiffness, the anticipation, the drama. Oh, goodness me, this stiff. Experiencing massive piece separation.